Do you know that Holy Quran is the complete guidance for all human mankind? It is crucial to not only read but truly understand the Quran to enjoy a great experience in this world and the hereafter. Are you ready to start learning Quranic Arabic language? Let's start, inshallah. One humble request before we start. Al-Quran Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and educational institute. We would like to reach many others like you, so your assistance will be greatly appreciated. If you benefit from our videos, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Jazakallahu khairan. Alhamdulillah, we have studied lesson 29 earlier and we have learnt about present or future tense verb or fi'l mudari. Today, we shall learn morphology structure of past tense verb or fi'l madi. What is morphology? Let's understand what morphology is. Morphology is the study of how parts of words called morphemes create different meanings by combining with each other or standing alone. Inshallah, through Quranic Arabic grammar, we shall unlock the power of Arabic verb forms with the science of morphology. We shall discover the richness of meaning in classical Arabic through the sub-science of sarf, the Arabic morphology. We shall also learn how the vowel configurations added to a set of 3 consonants turn simple letters into powerful verbs conveying the tense, voice, and connotations. Look at the example below. Istansaru. Here, there are 3 parts of the word is highlighted in different color. Green color, red color, and black color text. Istansaru means they, the group of people, asked for help. Ista means seeking, to seek, asking for something. The middle part is the root verb nasara. So the prefix ista is added before nasara. Waw alif at the end is acting as a suffix. It's telling us it's past tense, it's third person, it's masculine, and it's also plural. As we learn more, inshallah, you would be able to understand that the verb in the middle is actually in active voice, maruf form here. So can you see just one verb from nasara using the prefix and suffix, how many different variable forms can be created? Alhamdulillah. We shall learn about this more later on, inshallah. Next question is, what are the Arabic verb forms? A basic verb form is the particular vowel configuration given to a set of 3 consonants in Arabic in order to turn those letters into an actual verb. Along with making the letters pronunciable, these vowels give us more meaning, namely the tense and voice. Verb forms can be simple and they can be also enhanced. Enhanced means the pattern involves the addition of 1 or 2 extra letters, which we will be learning in module 2, inshallah. Finally, are all Arabic verbs regular? No, not all verbs in Arabic are regular. Some letters in the language, when part of a word's base, render the verb weak. But no worry, there are a set of rules which can be applied to change the verb into a stronger form. This also will be covered in our module 2, inshallah. For now, in this chapter, we shall learn how the fi'l madi and fi'l mudari changes their forms using prefix and suffixes. We have studied this past tense verb or madi chart earlier. The same chart, I have put it on a different slide with the morphological breakdown, the structural changes, adding the prefix and suffixes. And there is a pattern there. I would like you to pay special attention to it, inshallah. We have studied earlier that fa'il can be hidden or fa'il can be external. And when does the external fa'il appears? Only in 2 occasions in past tense madi verb. Only with 2 verbs, and they are huwa or hiya. He singular male or she singular female. in these two fi'l madi, the external fa'il might come after the verb. It could be immediately after the verb or after a few words within the sentence. Let's look at fa'ala again. We said every root verb is masculine, third person, singular. So fa'ala means he did. The doer fa'il, he, or in Arabic huwa, is actually hidden within the verb fa'ala. So for that reason, on the left hand column, it says fa'ile mustatir, hidden, and can take an external fa'il. Now also learn the term mustatir. Mustatir is the Arabic name of hidden. So we got fa'ala, hidden fa'il is huwa there. Let's look at the next verb, which is fa'ala. And we know it means they too, male did. Fa'ala. But how is it formed? It was fa'ala first, then alif is added. Alif is the indicator of the doer here. It's not hidden, it's visible. So alif is indicating that there are two doer there. In this case, it's two male. They too did. Next one, fa'alu. And you can see waw alif is highlighted because waw alif is telling us that it is representing third person, plural, masculine. Waw is actually the indicator of it's a fa'il, it's they, it's plural, and it's masculine. So we can see the fa'il there. It's not hidden. Next one is another fa'il mustatir or hidden fa'il. With this verb, an external fa'il might come because it's representing here, she, singular female. Fa'alat, ta is highlighted there. Ta is the suffix there. Ta is not representing the fa'il there. Fa'il is still hidden. We cannot see the fa'il. So what is ta doing here? Ta is telling us that it is tautanithi, means it's a sign of femininity. It's feminine. It's getting interesting and pretty simple as well, inshallah. Fa'alata. Fa'alat, which is she, singular, feminine. Now we got fa'alata. Alif is coming to give the dual number here. Everything remains same, it's fa'alat, and then alif is added, so it's telling us the doer is two female there, and the fa'il is visible. Alif is telling us the fa'il are two female. Next one, fa'alna. This na is the indicator of visible fa'il. So it's a part of the verb, but we can see the fa'il there. Fa'alna. Fa'alna means they all female did. And na is the suffix here. Please pay attention. From hunna downward up to nahnu, lam kalima, lam letter takes sukun. So until hunna, lam kalima had fatah. But as soon as hunna comes, lam kalima takes a sukun and it continues up to the end. So it's fa'alna for hunna. Next is fa'alta, but it's representing anta. Anta means you, singular male. That ta is coming after fa'al. Fa'alta means you, singular male, did. So ta is the fa'il here, visible fa'il. Next is fa'altuma, representing antuma, you two male. Fa'altuma means you two male did. So tuma is the visible fa'il here. Next is antum, and the corresponding verb is fa'altum. Antum means you all male. So tum is representing antum. That means you all male did. So tum is a visible fa'il. Next three, anti, antuma, antunna, follows the same pattern. Anti, anti, fa'alti, anta, fa'alta. So anti, the corresponding verb is fa'alti. Fa'alti is indicating you, singular, female. And I said earlier, in order to remember this, think about auntie, your mom's sister or your uncle's wife. Auntie, auntie, you, singular, female. So this ti is acting as a suffix there and telling us that this is the visible fa'il here. Next is antuma. and corresponding verb is fa'altuma, representing you two female did. So tuma is the visible fa'il here. Next is antunna. Antunna, there is no similarity with anything else here. It's special. Antunna, you all female did. And the corresponding verb is fa'altunna. So tunna is the visible fa'il here. Next is fa'altu. Fa'altu is representing ana. Ana means I. It could be male, it could be female, I. Fa'altu, there is no similarity, there is no pattern here. But you need to remember, when a verb ends with tu, it means I. So tu is the suffix here, and it's representing visible fa'il, which is I, male or female. And the last one is fa'alna, and it's representing nahnu, means we. Fa'alna means we all did. It can be dual, it could be plural, same. Na is the suffix here representing nahnu, and it is visible fa'il. Now, take away from here. You have to remember hunna is a very crucial point of change. Suddenly, lam kalima starts taking sukun from here downward. That's point number one. Point number two, hunna means they all female, and the ending of hunna is always nun fatah. Try to remember that. The one other point to remember is fa'altu. When you see tu at the end of a verb, it means the fa'il is I, male or female. Fa'altu means I did. Other thing you need to remember that out of all 14 damir or pronoun there, only 2 has got hidden fa'il, which is fa'il mustatir. By looking at it, you cannot see the fa'il, the doer. The rest 12, by looking at this, you can say what the fa'il is. So go through this video a few times, inshallah. If you repeat this video a few times, everything will be clear. I shall see you in the next lesson, inshallah. One request before you go. Al-Quran Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and educational institute. We would like to reach others like you. So if you benefited from this video, please share with others, and most importantly, please subscribe our channel and like the videos. Don't forget to watch other video series on Quranic Arabic course. Barakallahu fikum. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم آمين يا رب العالمين.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.